Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Once again, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. A great thought by Iron Man of India and freedom fighter of India. He is none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. He is remembered as a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He had actively contributed to the Indian freedom movement. Sardar Patel was one of the most eminent and prominent leader of Indian freedom struggle. He has immense contribution in bringing independence to our country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Liviu Patel Patidar community in Nandiad village in Gujarat. His full name is Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel and popularly known as Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel's father name was Jawaharlal Patel and served in the army of Queen of Jhansi, and mother name was Ladbai, was inclined towards spirituality. Patel was very brave character since childhood. There had been an instance when he treated a painful boil without any hesitation using a hot iron rod. At the age of 22, when everyone completes their graduation, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel completed his matriculation, and due to this, everyone thought that he would be doing ordinary jobs. After completing his matriculation, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel continued his studies and became a law graduate and later travelled to England to become a barrister. After returning to India, he continued practicing law in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Contribution towards Indian independence movement. A meeting with M.K. Gandhi in October 1917 brought him closer to the Indian independence movement. He joined Indian National Congress, and his initial movement started with the Satyagraha in Gujarat against British. Later, he actively participated and volunteered the Quit India movement in 1942, closely working with Gandhiji. Patel had a very strong contribution in uniting the people of India during Indian freedom movement. During this time, he was jailed many times. The feeling of patriotism to expel out British from Indian territory to become his first and only objective. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as the Iron Man of India. His life has been an inspiring and motivating one. First, he had achieved his profession goal with very little support from others, and thereafter playing a major role in bringing the people of India together for fight for the nation independence. His brief in the principle of unity in diversity and stand united for the common cause of Indians independence made him the Iron Man of India. Due to his leadership quality and ability to connect to masses, he has been given the title of Sardar Patel, meaning leader Patel. Life after Indian independence. After independence, he played a prominent role in the integration of India. He persuaded the ruler of princely states to be united and be part of one India and one nation by traveling to far-flung areas and border areas. Initially, after independence, he was appointed as first Home Minister of India and simultaneously the Commander-in-Chief of India Armed Force. Later, he also became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is among one of the three leaders who led India from 1947 to 1950, and his birthday was celebrated as the National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution to the Indian freedom struggle has been remarkable and incomparable. He was an immense source of inspiration for the youth of nation, not only during the freedom movement but also in the current day. He is being termed as self-made man in true sense. His ideology of integration have laid the foundation of unity. He was conferred as the Bharata Ratna Award in 1991 and he got Pin on Trophy Award memento. He got highest civilian award. He was awarded as Iron Man of India in 2006. The Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat in India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. It is located on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam 100 km 62 mi southeast of the city of Vadodara and 150 km 93 mi from Surat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel started keeping unwell rapidly since the summer of 1950 and Patel died on 15th December 1950 suffering a massive heart attack at Birla House in Bombay, now Mumbai in Maharashtra, India. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work. Once again, faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.